You can expect a lot from the 2011 Toyota RAV4. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as skid plates, rear wipers, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.